अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू द थर्ड बुक ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर किंडरगार्टन। और अब तक बहुत सी इंटरेस्टिंग और नई नई चीज़ें सीख चुके हैं हम। अपने लास्ट लेसन में हमने सीखी थी एडिशन, और हमने सीखी थी एडिशन बहुत से डिफरेंट तरीकों के साथ। जी, जब भी हम दो नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं तो हम बहुत से मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से उनको ऐड कर सकते हैं। जैसा कि हमने देखा था कि थ्रू नंबर्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, fingers, even the number line and the word problems। और आज हमने सीखनी है subtraction, लेकिन ways हमारे सेम हैं। जी, subtraction का क्या मतलब है? when we cut और when we take away different things, ठीक है। और subtraction के लिए जो साइन यूज होता है वो यूज होता है माइनस का साइन। This sign is going to be used for subtraction। और subtraction के लिए भी हमने वो तमाम तरीके आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस करने हैं जिनके थ्रू हम subtraction easily कर सकते हैं। subtraction का my dear kids आपको अच्छे से पता है क्या है subtraction? when we take away something or when we cut out the things from the given total। अब हम जल्दी से चलते हैं अपनी बुक की तरफ, क्योंकि हमारी बुक पे subtraction बहुत ही डिस्क्रिप्टिव वे में समझाई गई है। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये है subtraction। जी, opposite of addition। Subtraction means to take away something from a group। It helps us to find out how many are left। जी, subtraction help करती है, हमें ये बताती है कि कौन सी चीज़ कितनी बाकी रह गई है। Minus is the sign which is used for subtraction। What is the example given here? Anam has 7 balloons। 2 balloons flew away। अच्छा जी, अनम के पास 7 balloons हैं and 2 balloons flew away। Let's see how many balloons are left with Anam। तो टोटल कितने थे my dear kids? We have 7 balloons and हमने माइनस कितने करने हैं? 2, and which is equal to how many left? Yes, 5 is going to be the answer। So a little question here which you have to do, that subtract and write the answer। There are some flowers। How many flowers are there? 5 flowers and you have to subtract 2। आपने इनमें से 2 flowers को cut कर देना है, और you can say take away 2 flowers। How many we are left with? Yes, we are left with 3 flowers। Always write the bigger number first। जी, ये बात जो बहुत important है कि हमेशा बिगर नंबर से स्मॉलर नंबर को हमने माइनस करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। छोटे में से बड़ा नंबर माइनस नहीं हो सकता। सो ऑलवेज राइट द बिगर नंबर ऑन द फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड देन द स्मॉलर नंबर। डियर टीचर्स, इंट्रोड्यूस सब्ट्रैक्शन थ्रू सिंपल स्टोरीज इन्वॉल्विंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स और ब्लॉक्स टू द स्टूडेंट्स। अच्छा, जो अगला जो फर्स्ट वे है हमारे पास subtraction करने का, वो है subtraction with fingers, just the way with addition। So as you know, we have 5 fingers on each hand। Let's count on fingers। Example है हमारा example question है 5 minus 2। So take out 5 fingers and cut 2 fingers, and how many we are left with? We are going to left with 3 fingers। अच्छा, अब हम आ जाते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन की तरफ। जी, here count and subtract on fingers। 5 minus 1, again 1 is already cut। Okay, count the leftover fingers। Yes, the answer will be 4। The answer of the first question will be 4। 5 minus 1 equals to 4। All the other questions are to be done in the same way। अच्छा, अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्योंकि पहले क्वेश्चन में कटिंग वाज ऑलरेडी बीन डन, लेकिन इसमें कटिंग आपने खुद करनी है। यू कैन से कटिंग और यू कैन से क्रॉसिंग आउट एज वेल। Count and cross out the fingers and get the total। So here we have 5 fingers in the first question and you have to cross out 4। So let's cross out together 1, 2, 3 and 4। How many we are left with? Yes, we are left with only 1. Same goes for the other 2 questions. Their teachers encourage the students to use their fingers to count a specific number and then subtract by putting down the corresponding fingers. For example, count all fingers up and then put down 3 to find the result. अब हम चलते हैं अपने next page पे, जो कि है हमारा अगला way, and same which we have done with addition. Yes, again we are going to use the number line, and now we are going to do subtraction using a number line. And what thing we have to keep in mind while doing subtraction on number line is, to subtract we always move to the left on the number line. जैसा कि आपको याद है, एडिशन में हम राइट की तरफ हमने जंप्स ली थी, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्शन में वी विल मूव टू द लेफ्ट. लेट्स सी हाउ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर 5 फ्रॉम 8 with the help of number line. अब हमने क्या करना है माय डियर किड्स, हमने नंबर 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 8 में से. Here we are going to start from 8 and we will take 4 jumps back and we will land on the answer. And जब हम 4 को 8 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर भी हमारे पास 4 ही आएगा. अब हम क्वेश्चंस की तरफ चलते हैं और पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 6 सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5. हम किस नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे जंप्स लेना माय डियर किड्स? यस, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 6 and how many jumps we are going to take? We are going to take 5 jumps back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On what number we have landed on? We have landed on number 1. So when we subtract 5 from 6, the answer will be 1. All the other questions are to be done in the same way. Dear teachers, draw a large number line on the board. Practice counting backward on the number line to represent subtraction. For example, if we start at 8 on the number line and take away 4, we count backwards from 8 to 4. Okay, the next way of subtraction is with objects. Yes, so count the objects, subtract the numbers and find the total. The first one is 7 minus 3. Here we have 7 frogs and we crossed out how many? Yes, we will cross out 3 frogs. And how many we are left with? We are left with 4 frogs. And same is to be done with all the questions. You have to cross out the objects, subtract the numbers and find the total. The first question has some grasshoppers. How many grasshoppers are there? 9. And how many you are going to subtract from 9? Only 1. So you will cross out 1 grasshopper and you are left with how many? Yes, you are left with 8. All these questions are to be done in the same way. Dear teachers, provide objects for the students to practice subtracting on their own or in pairs. Encourage them to explain their thought process too. कि वो सोच के कैसे subtract कर रहे हैं numbers को, वो भी आपको explain कर सकते हैं. The next way is subtraction in columns, just like we did with addition. Subtract the units with the help of lines and write the correct answer. One has been done for you. यहाँ पे my dear kids, आपने lines बनानी है of the bigger number and then you have to cut the number of lines of the smaller number. Here in the first question, which has already been done, you have to make 8 lines. And how many you are going to cross out? Yes, 4. And you are left with 4 lines and the answer is 4. The next question is 5 minus 3. You are going to tell me how many lines you will make. Shabash. You are going to make 5 lines. And how many you are going to cross out? Yes, you are going to cross out 3 lines. And how many you are left with? You are left with 2. Okay, and all the sums are to be done in the same way. Dear teachers, instruct the students to draw lines equal to the top number and then cross out as many as the number below. The remaining lines represent the answer. Refer to the example above. Remind them to follow the vertical format where the number at the bottom is subtracted from the number at the top. Now, my dear students, we are going to jump on to the last way through which we can do the subtraction. And that way is called word problems. Gee, there is a statement and we are going to find out how we are going to subtract the two numbers. There are 9 apples on the tree. 3 apples fall down. How many apples are left on the tree? How many total apples are there? Here you have to write total. And the second one are how many fall down? 3. So 9 minus 3. How many we are left with? Yes, we are left with 6 apples. In the second question, Sarah has 7 bunties. She gives away 4 bunties to her brother. How many bunties does she have now? So how many total bunties were there? 7. How many she gave to her brother? 4. So 7 minus 4. How many we are left with? Yes, we are left with 3 bunties. Dear teachers, introduce the concept of subtraction as taking away or removing objects. Engage the students in solving simple word problems involving subtraction. Here is a little activity which is given on this page. Have 2 students roll the dice. Have them subtract the smaller number from greater number. Discuss concept of subtraction with the students too. आप एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी कर सकती हैं students के साथ. You can give them a dice. They can roll the dice, 2 students, and then ask them to subtract the smaller answer from the bigger one. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन और हमने सीखी है सब्ट्रैक्शन बहुत सारे तरीकों से. ये तमाम तरीके आपने प्रैक्टिस करने हैं घर पे ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाए और कभी भी भूले नहीं. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हम दोबारा मिलेंगे नए लेसन के साथ, नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.